Copies and sponsor gaming album books and CDs are available at the lobby. Maaari po bang mahiyang tumayo ang ating mga first-time attendees sa umagang ito? Ang ating mga first-time attendees at ang ating mga usherers ay may ibibigay na form. Pakilagdaan lamang po ang mga hinihinging impormasyon at pagkatapos ng ating programa ay tinuloy lamang po tayo sa ating lobby at mayroon pong handog na ipagkakaloob sa inyo. Thanksgiving, the blood-letting purihin ng Diyos sa ating mga Lord donors. Salamat din sa pagbisita ng ating day-by-day bulwagan cares sa pangunguna ni Kuya Manny de Tabali at ng Red Cross staff. Indeed, there is a great joy in sharing of blood. And the bloodletting activity is still ongoing. Yung mga nais pong mag-donate ng kanilang mga dugo, tumungo lamang po sa ating lobby. Summer Sambahay Project, isang tahanan sa Magno Compound, Seminary Road, Novaliches, Quezon City, ang nagbukas ng gawain doon sa pangunguna ni Pastora Emma at Sister Mirna Penron. Ang ating pag-aaral fellowship ay nagsisimula sa ganap na 8:30 ng umaga at nagtatapos sa ganap na 9:20 ng umaga. Pag-aaral fellowship, Sunday school classes 8:30 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. Attend classes on salvation, growth, church membership, cultural redemption, and advanced growth Bible study for kids, youth, women, men, and senior citizens. Para sa ating mga gawain sa ating Quezon City Center Bagbag, number 500 District Building, 3rd floor, Bagbag, Seminario, Quirino Highway, Novaliches, Quezon City. Sunday evening worship. Worship starts at 6 p.m. Inform and invite your family, relatives, and friends. Quezon City Midweek Worship Celebration on 6:30 p.m. film showing, which is entitled Usapang Pamilya, Part 2. From 8 to 9:15 p.m. there will be a worship celebration, and from 9:15 p.m. will be the food fellowship. Hermeneutics class every Sunday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Basic counseling class will start on April 17, 2011, and the registration is still ongoing. Baccalaureate Sunday on April 24. All graduates in elementary, high school, and college, please ensure your name is registered at the lobby. Day-by-Day Youth Nova will have its first ever summer youth camp. The Day-by-Day Nova Summer Youth Camp at Rizal Recreation Center, Rizal, Laguna, from April 26 to 28, 2011, with the theme YXL or Youth XL. The registration fee costs 1,500 pesos. It is inclusive of 20